Hey guys, so massive airdrop that most people are not talking about, and this is really easy. And I think this will be one of the big airdrops, and not many people are talking about this. But here you can see this is the Bullex trading platform, which will be basically giving the airdrop. And why this is an easy airdrop is because here you can see basically how to secure Bullex in airdrop 1. I think it's airdrop 2 actually. Because one was the smallest one, but this will be the biggest airdrop. So here you can see trading on Bullex 82%. So basically what you want to do is just go on this platform. If you are into meme coins, you can buy meme coins. If you are in just basically buying and selling not meme coins, but every crypto that is on Solana, you can basically do this on Bullex, and I'm using Bullex myself on daily basis because why this is the top tier application. And the fact is that most of the huge traders, the most profitable meme coin traders, are using this platform, and I will explain you why. For example, this is the first thing. If you want to add funds, you go on Vault Manager, add funds, send from Coinbase, Binance, or Phantom, send some Solana to this address that you will have your own address you will send, and you will basically fill your balance so you have something to trade with. And again, how you can get the first airdrop is just by trading. So you can even buy stable coins, sell to Solana, and basically do few transactions. For example, you buy 1,000 worth of Solana, sell it in the next day because the prices are not jumping up and down like for regular meme coins, but you are still qualifying for the airdrop because you have a trading volume. And again, 82% of the airdrop will be for trading, so that's the most important step. And why this platform is great overall and why I am using it on daily basis is, for example, I will basically show you here. You can see that you can set your own gas priority fees, buy bribe, max slippage. So what this means is, for example, when 1,000 or 10,000 people are buying specific coin, for example, Trump coin, it works like this. For example, if you're buying on Phantom, on Solana, on Jupiter or Radium, you cannot edit these slippages in so detailed way. Here you can, for example, set your priority fee much higher. So when 10,000 people are buying, you will be first in the line, and your transaction will go through the first. And other people, thousands or 10,000 people, will only buy after you. So this is about speed. Then imagine if you buy before 10,000 people buy, basically they will be pumping your price up. Your entry, they will be pumping your basically gains. So this is basically the most important part in this platform. That's why I'm basically buying meme coins on Solana or crypto only through this platform. And what I want to show you is that they have wallet tracker. Here you can see they have wallet tracker, Twitter tracker. Soon you will be able to follow specific accounts and track specific Twitter accounts. So if you want to follow Elon Musk or CZ or I don't know, Trump, that is shilling, for example, some contact addresses, you can just go on here, copy paste the address in the search bar, and fast before everyone else. Now they have also wallet tracker where you can add, for example, here I have the Dave Portnoy, the Barstool CEO wallets I'm tracking. And how you can track is basically add wallet here, add name, for example, Dave, and here you will add the address. Really easy, and you will see everything that he is doing, the latest transactions that he is doing. So basically, yeah, really easy to qualify for the airdrop. You just basically go on the invite link in the description because this app is invite only. You find your wallet, you do some transactions, and I can bet you that after 5 to 10 minutes you have basically learned this app, you will be addicted to it because it is so much fun, so much easier than Phantom Bullet or just buying on Jupiter or Radium. That's my personal experience. I'm using it every day. So that's that. And here you can see if you are referring friends to Bullex, 6% of allocation will be for basically referrals. So you can basically invite your friends, your family members to earn some extra airdrop. But this is only 6%, but still I would recommend you to do everything, and they will be revealing soon something. 12% will be something revealed soon. And here you can see you can increase your multiplier by being on the ranking on the leaderboard. So the more you trade, the higher the leaderboard. You can also get a bigger multiplier just being on top 1,000 people trading. So again, the more money, the more trading you do. And what I'm doing, I'm just buying some Solana, swapping it to USDT and selling. Of course, you're paying a little bit in the fees, but I want that airdrop. I think this will be a huge airdrop, and phase 3 secret event will be starting in some time. No, it's not yet revealed. And here you can see some facts about how you can convert to how the points will be converted to Bullex. So 1 point will be I think 1 token, and it will be at the TGE. So I think we have a lot of time to farm this airdrop, because I think most airdrops are dropped when the markets are healthy, green, everything is pumping. Right now we are still in quite stagnation, and that's why I wanted to show you this airdrop. I am trading on Bullex anyways, so I will be getting my airdrop, but I want to just show the people that don't know about this platform. And this is invite only. The link is in my description below. And yeah, I am using it every day. They basically recently announced the tweet tracker and wallet tracker, which is insane. You don't have to go outside of any apps You don't have to download extra apps or buy, because there are many paid Twitter trackers. Now we have this. I'm just waiting for them to unlock this, that you can follow specific people, because I don't want to follow 90% of these guys that are basically, I don't know what they are suggesting, what accounts. Maybe these are my followers, but I have not connected my X account, my Twitter, to this platform. But still, everything you have on this app, you get portfolio. There are basically, if you are in MEMECOIN trading, you can basically see the new creations, then basically coins that have graduated, you can snipe them. On this application, you can see, for example, how many percent are held by insiders, how many percent are held by snipers, and how much, for example, top 10 holding is more than 15%. So there is such a huge data, and this is, by the way, for all of the coins. You can see developer has sold 1%, so such a great way to buy coins. And for example, if Trump coin comes or some influencer drops his own meme coin, you can basically search and you will see all these stats. And by the way, you will be they will basically warn you before you are buying something. They will show you all these statistics that there are people holding more than 80% of the supply, or liquidity is not locked. Or here you can see there are many insiders or snipers. So really great tool. You don't have this on Phantom Wallet or Jupiter or Radium. And if we are adding all the features that you can set your own fees, priority fees, bribe, limits, you can see who is holding how many insiders or snipers. That's why I'm personally using this platform every day. And again, you are basically qualifying for an airdrop just by using this platform. And that's basically it. That's what I wanted to tell you. And if you want to use this platform, the link is in the description, invite only. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.